Last night I was super tired because the entire night I was replying to all the queries that I received from my leads on WhatsApp. Now over here, this is a very time consuming task because I receive multiple inquiries every single day. So what can be the solution? Your solution is Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is a tool using which you can easily and efficiently manage WhatsApp conversations in your business. Over here in this video, I will show you how you can create an AI assistant for your fast food restaurant that is going to handle all your inquiries. Now this AI assistant is going to be created through Pabbly Chatflow. Now whenever you will receive your customers or leads messages on WhatsApp, automatically this AI assistant is going to send a reply to them. So now if you want to learn the entire process of how you can create this amazing AI assistant for yourself, for that I will take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen over here, okay? So first of all, let me show you how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. So this is my AI assistant, and towards this assistant, I will send my first message. That is, I need help, okay? So now after asking this first question right over here, I will wait for a few seconds for this AI assistant to reply to me. Of course, how can I assist you today? So my first question over here is, what items are available on your menu? Okay, so this is my first question that I wanted to ask. So as I've asked this question, you can see I've received the reply with the detailed menu right over here, okay? I have another question, that is, can I visit the restaurant directly without reservation? Okay, so I will ask my another question right here. Yes, you can visit the restaurant directly without reservation. However, if you're coming during peak hours, it might be a good idea to call ahead and check for the table availability. Okay, so this is my another question. I have my last question over here, that is, do you have healthy options? So this is my last question I wanted to ask. So I've asked this question. I'll wait for the reply. I've received the reply. Yes, we do have healthier options. Veggie Delight Burger. You can see I've received the reply as well. So as now this AI assistant is replying to all my questions, let us create it using an amazing software, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Okay. After we browse the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear. Before we create this amazing AI assistant, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can find ideas, share your feedbacks, and get amazing automation tips and ask your questions. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below, okay? On Pabbly Chatflow's landing page, there are two options. If you're a new user, that means you do not have an account with Pabbly Chatflow, sign up for free and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. If you're an existing user, directly sign in from here as I am, okay? Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button and you will land towards Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard next. Over here, Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing software using which you can manage your WhatsApp conversations easily and efficient. To add your WhatsApp number, what you need to do is your WhatsApp business number, go to this Add WhatsApp number where you will find two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect, in order to create a connection between your number and Pabbly Chatflow, okay? You will find the tutorial links in the description section to learn both of the methods. If you want to learn the features such as inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity log settings, in which we have multiple options. If you want to learn each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out all the video links in the description section below, okay? So now to create an AI assistant, simply from the panel, go towards this AI assistant section right over here, and now to add a new AI assistant, click on this add button. Firstly, we need to name our AI assistant. So for the name over here, I'm going to give it as AI for fast food restaurants. I will add the assistant from here. Now the AI assistant is successfully added. Now over here we have multiple sections to set up this AI assistant, that is AI instruction, knowledge source, assistant interface and styling. We'll complete all the sections step by step. Firstly, instruction type for me is AI agent, so I'll select it. Instructions, these are the roles and responsibilities of the AI assistant. If you want to add further points according to your business requirements, you can add in the instructions area right here. Now it is asking for the AI configuration. Firstly is the temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being more focused replies and 1 being more creative replies that this AI assistant is going to give towards our leads or customers. Okay, my temperature, I will set it as 0.5 as I want both creative and focused replies. Okay, AI to use OpenAI model, I will be using GPT-4o mini. If you want to use different model, you can do that. API key is the key that is going to help us to connect our OpenAI account to Pabbly Chatflow. For that, simply click on this hyperlink in the help desk and you will land towards the API key section. I will create a new key from here. Over here, I'll name this key as new key 66. Project is going to be default, permissions as all. I'm going to create the key from here. Then simply what you need to do is copy this token over here, paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. This is how you connect your OpenAI account to Pabbly Connect. Assistant settings, if you want header message, you can toggle this button on. Footer message, you can toggle this button on. Stop keywords, I'll toggle it over here. Now let's suppose the leads or the customer wants to stop this AI assistant for helping. So simply you can add those stop keywords right here, minus stop by, simply add the word, press the enter key to save the keyword. You can add as many keywords according to your requirement, the stop keywords. Okay, retry attempt, if you want that, toggle this button on. Fallback message is a message that is going to be forwarded towards the customer or the lead on WhatsApp through this AI assistant if this API key that we have entered is not working. Okay, so you can edit it according to your requirement. Our first setup, that is the AI instructions, is set up. Knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? Knowledge source is an important document, that is a knowledge base, in which you have entered all your business details, your fast food restaurant details, policies, menu, everything with pricing and everything. And through that document, this assistant is going to read, answer all the leads or customers' questions. Okay, so I have created a knowledge base in the name of Fast Byte Express Knowledge Base. This is the name of my business. I have created this dummy document right here. Over here, this is my dummy business. Okay, Fast Byte Express, this is a knowledge base for my business in which I've introduced my business, what it is about, all the benefits, menu and pricing, everything, delivery, cancellation, the addresses, everything is mentioned over here in this document. So now to upload this document, simply click on this button right over here. Now this is my knowledge base. I'm going to upload this document, and to find whether the document is uploaded or not, under the knowledge sources section, you can see over here it says file upload. If you receive this vector ID, that means the knowledge base is successfully uploaded. Okay. Next is assistant interface. Assistant interface is this interface, that what all is written right over here. Okay. So now if you want to add this assistant on your website, on your fast food restaurant website, you can change the interface as well as the color right here through this assistant interface and styling. Over here, my business name is what? It is Fast Byte Express. So I'm going to show you Fast Byte Express. You can see this is my fast food business name right here. So what I'll do is I'm going to simply add this brand name that I have right here. Okay, if you want to change this line, you can change it through this initial message, the initial message that is going to be forwarded towards this AI assistant. You can change it over here. You can add 2 initial messages only. Okay, if you want this powered by Pabbly to be visible, enable disable it from here. If you want a hyperlink like this, you can add the text as well as the link right here, and the user's initial message, what all initial message that you receive from your user, you can enter it. I've entered it as I need help. Now if you want to change this interface according to the brand colors that you have, you can change all the colors right over here as well as the background, image and everything. Okay, so now our AI assistant is successfully created. So now to activate this AI assistant, toggle this button on and save it right here. The AI assistant is successfully saved as well as created inside Pabbly Chatflow. So this is how simple it is to create your own AI assistant. Now let us test this AI assistant. For that, simply what I'll do is, towards this AI assistant on my WhatsApp, I will send a new message, a new query. First message is I need help. Okay, so let me send this message right here. I've received the answer. I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with? Okay, so my first question over here is going to be, do you have any vegetarian combos? Okay, I'm going to ask this question right here. I've received the reply, yes, we do have a vegetarian combo, that is Veggie Delight burger, fries and soft drink. Okay, so I have another question, that is, where is your Delhi branch? Okay, I'm going to ask this another question right here to this bot. I've received the reply, we have 2 branches in Delhi. I've received the addresses. I have another question, that is, what time do you open? Okay, so let me ask this question right here. I've received the reply, our outlets open at 10 a.m. and close at 11 p.m. daily. Okay, so I have last question, that is, any deals today? Okay, so I will ask this last question towards this bot. So let's see whether this bot replies to all my questions or not. And it says, yes, today we have a special combo, that is the combos you can see is mentioned right here. here. So as now this AI assistant is automatically replying to all my queries. This is how this amazing AI assistant is created and is going to work in real time. Now if you want to add this AI assistant on your website, simply go to embedded. You will find the script right here. Copy the script from here and automatically what is going to happen, you can add the script over here on your website code and the assistant is going to be added there. Now if you want to assign this AI assistant to all your contacts or the leads or customers, simply what you need to do is go towards the settings option and go towards the inbox settings section. Okay, after coming to the inbox settings, scroll down and you will find the option AI auto reply settings. I will enable this AI auto reply right over here so that this AI assistant is going to automatically reply to all the contacts. You can select the contact list as well as you can select all the contacts that this AI assistant is going to help. Okay, so now we have created a contact list in the name of all contacts, so I will select it and you can assign the assistant as well. Okay, and as soon as you go to assign, automatically towards all your contacts the assistant is going to be assigned and is going to help automatically without you manually activating for every single contact. Now if you want to assign this AI assistant to an individual contact, to one customer or lead, simply go towards the inbox section right over here, click on the conversation, and as soon as you get to do that, simply select this choose AI assistant, toggle this and assign the AI assistant towards an individual lead or the customer. Okay, so now this is how this amazing AI assistant is created and is going to work in real time without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. If you find any of the questions or doubts while I was creating this amazing AI assistant, you can comment down below and we will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.